Guess what came in the post today? The DJI MIC MINI. I ordered this like a week ago, but it came like now. I'm not sure. The camera itself came after like a day or two, but this took its time to come. But it's here now, so let's finally do a quick little unboxing. In the last video, I did blabber on quite a bit, and then I showed you like for like 30 seconds, I showed you the camera and stuff. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to quickly do a quick unboxing, and we're going to do a very quick video today, just to quickly check out the mic itself. I don't know what I'm expecting because I want the mic, but there's like a little stand and stuff that comes with it, so I don't really know what's inside the box. I've not seen any unboxings of this or anything like that, so let's quickly check it out. It's just a big plastic bag. It looks like a case or something inside. Oh, that's pretty nice actually. A little DJI case, which I might have never used in my whole life, but here we go. Okay, so what we got in here? We have the mic. Let's put that to the side for a second. We've got these sound muffling things. I have no idea what they're actually called, but there's two of them. Oh god, like a black one and there's like a grey one. I think they're just aesthetics. I'm not sure if they do different things or not. And then we have, what the hell is this? This is the stand. See, I didn't know I was actually going to get this, but it's a USB-C stand, so I'm guessing you just plug a USB-C in there and then you can just charge it from there, which is pretty sick. I don't think the actual mic itself has a USB-C slot in it, I don't think. And then, nice, it comes with the cable. It doesn't come with a USB-C to USB-C, it comes with the standard old USB to USB-C, which is quite interesting. And then, as usual, all that stuff is in there as well. And that's it. But it's a nice little carrying case as well. I don't know, I might actually use this, you know, just put my mic in and stuff. We shall see. Let's open the mic real quick, let's see what's inside. It is tiny, of course. It's just a small little mic mini. It's not the DJI mic 2 or 3. Yeah, so it's got the, shit, I'm turning it on. It's got the magnet, so you can hook it on with the magnet, or it's got a little clip. Now some of these mics come as a pair and it comes with a transmitter as well, but I don't need a transmitter. If you're using a DJI mic camera, sorry, you can just use the camera to connect, I think. So this should just hook on and I should be just pretty much good to go. I'm going to figure out how to connect this up and start this up and stuff. And I shall see you in the next clip where we will be testing it out. I'm using the DJI mic, internal mic right now, so you'll see the difference in a second. And just like that, I'm connected. Right, it took literally seconds to connect. I just paired it up, it found it straight away, it connected. Also, what's come up now in the front screen is a little sound meter bar, whatever. So I can see how loud I'm going in the mic and how far away I should have it. But this is it, this is the mic. I've added the little muffler bush thing on top of the mic as well. I need to figure out what these names are. So what we'll do now is we'll go outside and we'll see what it's like outside. I'm not going to do an internal mic test outside because I did that in my last video. So if you want to see what it sounds like without the mic outside, check out the last video. But let's go outside and hook this up to my hoodie or something and check it out. Right, okay, so here we are outside. So I have actually messed around with the camera settings as well. So I'm shooting at a higher bit rate, but I'm also shooting at 30 frames per second instead of, I don't know how well you can pick up the car sounds with the mic as well, but yeah, I'm shooting at 30 frames per second instead of 60, but I'm shooting at a higher bit rate. I've also changed the resolution, sorry, not the resolution. I've also changed the stabilization to rock steady, and I've changed the aspect ratio to natural wide. So I don't know how different it looks from the last video, but this is what I'm gonna sort of go with when it comes to vlogging. Here we are looking on the other side. It is quite windy outside today, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to like a traffic heavy area, which is just down the road here, and we'll see what it sounds like with a lot of traffic, and hopefully I don't look like an idiot holding a camera. I'll probably have to get used to holding a camera in public, to be fair, but yeah, let's give it a go. Also, I'm actually recording and stop recording from the mic itself, which is pretty sick. Right, so we're in the traffic heavy area at the moment, so hopefully it doesn't pick up too much background noise. I mean, it shouldn't really. I mean, I've seen these tested on other videos on YouTube and stuff, but yeah, there is going to be cars coming up and down this road now, and there's a lot of wind coming through, so this is actually pretty good if you can hear me still. Yeah, let's have a look. So you can see the traffic I'm in at the moment. There's not much here, but there are cars coming up and down this place. So we shall see if you can still hear me or not. Here it is, that's the DJI MIC MINI. You can hear it for yourself and judge what you want to judge it as. You can check out the last video. Like I said, check out the last video where I'm literally just recording on the internal mic. There wasn't much wind or traffic, to be fair, so it's not too fair of a comparison, but I just can't be asked to disconnect this and do another thing. It is really windy right now, so hopefully you can still hear what I'm saying. No, drop a like and a comment. Let me know if I should have stuck with the mic, the internal mic, or got the mic mini. I don't know if there's any difference. I'll find out in a second when I edit the video. But yeah, sound. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.